Today, we're diving into the WithU Fitness App. If you're looking for a workout companion that promises personalized training, you might want to stick around. But is it really as effective as it claims? Let's find out. The WithU Fitness App aims to deliver a tailored workout experience, offering a variety of training programs designed by professional trainers. At its core, it focuses on personalized workout plans that adapt to your fitness level and goals, which is definitely appealing. The user interface seems pretty straightforward, making it easy to navigate through different workout types, from strength training to yoga. One thing that stands out is the audio coaching feature. It feels like having a personal trainer right in your ear guiding you through each exercise. However, I noticed that while the app offers a range of workouts, it lacks detailed explanations for some exercises, which could be a concern for beginners. Additionally, the app appears to target a broad audience, from fitness newbies to seasoned athletes, but I'm curious if it truly meets the diverse needs of everyone. Overall, the concept is solid, but there are a few areas that feel a bit underdeveloped. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the personalized coaching feature is a major highlight. It keeps you motivated and engaged. The variety of workout options is also a plus, catering to different preferences and fitness levels. However, there are some frustrations worth mentioning. The app could benefit from more detailed exercise instructions, especially for beginners who might need that extra guidance. Pricing is another consideration. While it offers value, some users might find it a bit steep compared to other fitness apps out there. Also, if you're someone who thrives on community interaction, you might feel a bit isolated since the app doesn't emphasize social features. Overall, it seems best suited for users who prefer solo workouts and personalized guidance. In conclusion, the WithU Fitness app is worth considering if you're looking for a personalized workout experience. However, those who prefer detailed instructions or community support might want to explore other options. It certainly has its strengths, but be sure to weigh your needs before diving in. Thanks for watching.